Alright guys, thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm replacing the PCV valve on my 94 Chevy K1500 350 5.7 liter SBC, whatever. Super easy, super simple. If you need the PCV valve, there'll be a link in the description below to where to get one. Hopefully an AC Delco one. I did get a cheap one because I'm in a hurry. We're going on a trip, so we're going to replace the PCV valve really fast. They're really easy to replace and commonly overlooked during regular maintenance, so make sure you get these done. I replace mine about every 60,000 miles. A little excessive, but they're cheap. $3, why not? Let's do this. It takes me about a minute and a half, 2 minutes to do it, so you're gonna do it too when we're done. Like, subscribe, and share while we're watching. Let's go. PCV valve right here, driver's side. I did make a video a little bit ago of what PCV valves do, so check that out too if you need to. Came off on both sides, so I should replace this hose too. Probably has a good vacuum leak right here. Let me go see if I have a piece of hose. Alright, so I ended up finding a hose. A little bit longer, but it's okay. Nice snug fit, not going to leak vacuum at all, hopefully. Here's the, oh, look at this elbow. That's leaking vacuum for sure. Looks like this truck needs some stuff. Huh. But for now, to get this job done, that's as far as it wants to go, so we're not going to go any further. Bunch of light taps on that, so that's it. And that'll be the PCV valve replacement. That'll be the PCV valve replacement on this here 94 Chevy K1500 5.7 350 SBC. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.